First game of the night. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, excuse me, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the race. Round 1. Oh, ABC. Two. That's his 4th summon. Fifth summon. Oh, yeah, there you go. ABC Dragoon. He's going to Dragoon it. Yeah, it's gonna Dragoon. Wow. 5th summon Dragoon negates Nibiru, and I just gave him an additional 1000 attack. He's got this. Hold on here. Ah, I can't do it like that. Dang it. First time ever trying to play Virtual World on Omega. Well, second time. First time I timed out, so I didn't upload that. I'll set a monster and end my turn. Set a monster, set a card. No. I'm going back to Dreadtrons after this. Or maybe I'll do another Virtual World. I mean, the consistency is just drawing through Nibiru. Like, come on, that is ridiculous. But can I bounce back from this? Is the question. Because if he wins this one, obviously I'm going first, and Hopefully I don't draw 3 Nibirus again. Oh, another ooh. Thought I was gonna go to another verte, but what's the point? He's already on the field. What the? It's gonna Nightmare Phoenix effect. Should have probably just used it. It's gonna Dragoon. It's over. It's over. If I draw Lulu, he's gonna negate, and it's over. You can target one face up far on the field, negate its effect. Lily. Target the spell. He's gonna Dragoon. And that's game. Ooh. Woohoo. Then I will send, so target the trap, or target the spell, send the trap, special summon, send the third type is he's gonna Dragoon that. No, he did not Dragoon that. I gotta send a card because of Huan Wu. Alright. Can't target Dragoon. Think of Vermilion. Synchro Shokan. Vermilion Dragon Mech. He's gonna Dragoon. When I do Vermilion. Vermilion. Banish a tuner. Target a card on the field. Destroy it. It's gonna end perm. That's great. That is great. Battle. Vermilion. Destroy. Nightmare Phoenix. Main phase 2. Can't really do nothing. Turnando. He uses Dragoon's effect to pop and burn. That's game. Oh, he's gonna destroy it. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Minus 200. Nick Chang wins. Is that considered a flawless victory? I wonder if this is a picture for people who don't have a picture on their Discord. I'll go first. Come on. Out of the cards! Guide me! What's this? Holy crap! No, I don't want to ash myself. I will face up the Chuche. Then I'll activate the King Long. I think I need to protect myself, so I will set a monster and set a card. Turn indoor. Wow. They weren't joking about the consistency of Virtual World. It's either you open good or you don't. I wish we have like a shuffle, cut. Sure, that'd be cool. And there's like a timer on the shuffle. What? Nah. That would be pretty cool. If we could manually shuffle. Manually cut the opponent's deck. Makes it more realistic. Nova or Dragoon, probably Nova, and then Infinity. We're going second. He chooses 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. It's mostly machines. What? Okay. Oh, okay. So we did that to get him equipped, get him out. Oh, so that went around Union Hanger. You couldn't special summon Driver, but Driver could banish itself, equip Assault Core, and an Assault Core could special summon itself. Yeah, that's game. That is the thumbnail right here. ABC Dragon Buster. Wow. That's ridiculous. This is yeah, he's got all his boss monsters. Target one card on the field and banish it. That's also a quick effect. Discard, target, banish. He's got it. Oh, let's do the Discord here. Probably not gonna add me. Oh no. I'm going back to Drytrons. And he's gonna finish it off with the Dragoon. Wow. Nick Chang wins. Flawless victory. Oh my god. Back to Drytrons. Comment, share, like if you sub it if you liked it. See you guys.